Alright, today we are looking at doing a headband installation on Logitech G Pro X and or G Pro X2 headsets. So, looking at the headband here, this headband is actually quite easy to remove. The easiest way to do it is actually, we're not even going to bother to unscrew anything here on these clips. Alright, so taking the headband off, I am going to pull on this headband here, just so that the side is going to be pulled over. You can feel the metal headband in there. So I'm pulling it over, and I'm just going to take the scissors, and I'm going to cut it right there. Or at least try to cut it right there. So the important thing here to know is obviously I'm going down the side because the cable is usually over the top or under, and we don't want to cut that obviously. So now we've got that open, we can see the foam, and you can see the headband part here, etc. Cool. Doesn't look like there is a cable on the top, to be honest. Maybe it goes over the top. I'll get it off first. And do the same thing to this side. Ooh. Right, and now you should be able to actually just rip it out. So you can pull it off the side like that, and now you can see the whole thing's right there. I'm just going to tear it. That's off. And something over here, I'm just going to pull up on this headband. It comes out the end. I'm not going to tear it that bad. I don't want to break anything, so I'll cut it. Top part's off. Right, so you can see the cable is right underneath the plastic going down the middle. So it's very difficult to actually get to the cable and ruin it anyway. But it is in the middle, as I said before. So when we take out the bottom part here, the cable is actually inside of the foam and the plastic here, and the EVA, that's that black stuff you can see. So we're gonna have to take the foam off and then get the cable out of there, basically. So I'm going to peel the foam off with my fingers. So what I've done now is I pulled the plastic out of the clip, because this plastic sits inside the clip here, like that, so it's stuck inside. I'm pulling it out. Like that. And now you can actually hold the wire and just pull it out of the foam. off. We have a little bit of foam inside here, which I can get out. Like that. And there's a little bit on the cable because there's some tape on the cable. Right. That is off. Okay, installing the headband. You can see on the end of the headband there is like a little edge that's just perfectly wide enough to fit into the clip on the headphone, like so. It's on both sides. So what we want to do is just slide that in. I've extended out the arms as far as possible. And I'm just going to put that in right there. And I'm going to hold that there, and I'm going to fold it over so that goes in here as well. And now it's in there too. And all you need to do on top of that is make sure that cable is in the middle of the metal headband here. And then all you need to do is fold it over. So we're going to fold over one side and the other side. And now you're left with the bottom parts of the headband, which you just need to pull up on. So for here, they have these little ends that are pointy, and you basically lift up the headband and shove it into the clip right here. So it looks like this. One. And there you go. You have the headband on. You can see right there, those little bits have been pulled up and shoved into the clip. Same thing here. And that's how it looks. The arms move, no problem. And once you're done that, you might have a bump in the headband. So you're going to take your finger and just go across. You might feel like part of the magnetic underneath pad might be sticking up. And what you need to do is just take your fingers and push up towards the clip on both sides. So kind of like that. To make sure that you're spacing out the headband into the clip evenly. And then it should, if there is a bump, it should flatten out. So now, that one's done.